What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm there back with another hitter and smash and a banger, you know, people. I don't know what time it is, you know, people. Yeah, man. What's good, guys? Y'all miss me? Yeah? First video of the new year. First video of the 2023. You don't know, your boy birthday just passed. You don't know. Yeah, man. Hope y'all go in the comment section right now. Wish your boy happy birthday. Wish your boy happy new year. Let me know how your new year been so far. Let me know what your Thanksgiving was like, or your Christmas, all that good stuff. But yeah, man, people, 2023, and you don't know what time it is. We're back with the video and the bang of them, and you don't know what they are with. We not waste no time with they are with that artists who are in the place hot. You see me, I took a break, but you know, I've been keeping my eye close on what go on in the media and thing, and what go on in the music and thing. You see me, and we don't know, say, yo. One of the artists out right now is none other than the one on the screen right now, Valiant. You see me, until you go check out the song from Valiant called Glock 40. You see me? Yeah, man, when I check out Glock 40 and see what Valiant are doing, you don't know that I'm going to burn up the charts, I burn up social media. You see me, I burn up music, you see me? So, I see what I go on, I burn up performance and all these things. But well, now all of the vibes and all the people, I jump right now and try this Valiant Glock 40. Let's get it. Boom, boom. Come here now, man.
Air Force white like cheese. My clutch I got a visa. Designer beats and cologne I create that.
Stop, but we can get up on that.
Yo, Falcon. Glock 40 on my belly, my clout tip on my ready. Shot dog shit when she ready. High grade lift my task more while I'm ready. I ain't some beat on my mix with.
Yo, me not like the beater, the intro, the video, the style. Yo, the dog whole outfit in the thing mad, you see me?
Have a million on my back part, the cash out, the stocks out, bonds non-stop drop. Yo, Tyreek, them 3 series now no value. But from school days, oh value. Fuck them girl.
So them 3 series now no value. Jesus Christ.
Sorry.
So all when you look at dog, them I run on and them make a 3 series BMW dog. Oh, me that shame, oh gosh.
She and them I see, all of my white tees, fitting them tight jeans. Glock 40 on my belly, my clout tip on my ready. Shot dog shit when she ready. High grade lift my task more while I'm ready. I ain't some beat on my mix with the Remy. Have a million on my back part, the cat.
You don't know the Henny and the Remy dog, you don't know how go on, and you don't know what got the weed for the hard.
Shot the stocks and bonds non-stop drop. I saw my father rocking her mouth. She said me too rude, my name she call out. Full suit a couch whenever my
the father rock around the place, easy no.
walk out. Dirty behavior, not tell me about no man. None. Some style where them no have.
You know, see.
Jimmy too nasty. Best weed get it from Cali. My influenza gal a Barbie. Skin tone clean and pretty like Cardi. Uptown bad.
Girl, I'm not this outdoor, no dog. Cheese and peas, I'll be a body.
This mix with the 90s. Location you can't see, me can't find me. Fear shot anytime you see the dip up behind this. Bada boo. Catch flow pussy. Glock 40 on my belly, my clout tip on my ready. Shot dog shit when she ready. High grade lift my task more while I'm ready. I ain't some beat on my mix with the Remy. Have a million on my back part, the cash out.
You know, like whoever Valiant manager, yo, you managing, you see me? I do your thing, me nah like, cause yo, you make things happen for you, dog.
The stocks and bonds non-stop drop. Yo, Tyreek.
Oh, help me, man. Shane Creative. How that must you, dog? How that must you? Shane Creative. You know every. You come like dog. You come like fly, dog. You just want you know everything, brother. But mad video. I'm sure no say you shoot this. You see me? Well executed. Visuals mad. The color mad. You see me? Everybody in the outfit, the whole thing mad. You see me? Lyrics. Song the shot. So you see me? When I know anything about one of the people, I don't know that a Valiant Glock 40. You see me, I not lie, I'm on tune, I know nothing about the one there. Don't know if I like the one there. I can show you artists some love and support and if you don't say Jambisco dance. You see me? Yeah man, boy, yeah man, Glock 40, Valiant, you don't know that, Run Up Road. dog full of lyrics and style, me not lying. Look at them all the youth, you know, man have a kind of blow. He got the kind of energy and boss for like Skilling and Sking there, but yeah man, I do dog I make you sign time, you see me? But anyway, yeah man, Valiant Glock 40, check it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know about Jambisco. You already know what time it is. Love you guys, I'm out. Man.